byte mail tells us that one of their sorting machines has a problem. The machine compares two packages and must display one of three messages based on their weight. These messages are: the first package is the heaviest, the second package is the heaviest, and both packages have the same weight. Let's look at the code for this machine. Can you find the problem? Notice the two else statements tied to a single if statement. This will not work because we can only have one else statement for each if statement. Earlier, we learned that if a condition is true, we execute the first code block. If the condition is false, we execute the second code block. This works because we have two code blocks and two possible results for the condition. Now, when we add another else block, we have three code blocks but only two possible results for the condition. Imagine having a machine that can do three things, but it only has two buttons. How would you control the third function of the machine? Unfortunately, you can't. Let's modify the code for ByteMail's machine. In the code editor, begin by removing the last else statement. Write a new if statement to control the code block. What should the condition of this if statement be? If you guessed package 1 = package 2, you're right. Now let's look at the remaining else statement. Do we need to change this one as well? Yes. A simple if-else structure can tie the first and second code block to a single condition. However, we'll have another problem if we do this. Let's say we leave the code in its current state. If we give both packages the same weight, we get two messages. First, we get package 2 is heavier, then we get both packages have the same weight. The reason for this is simple. In an if-else structure, one of two code blocks has to be executed. The solution for this is to transform this else statement into another if statement. Write package 1 less than package 2. That's it. Try running your code to see if the machine works properly.